Welcome back to our channel, Ajayastro Maniguru. In today's video, we delve into the current state of the turmeric market as of January 7th, focusing on the intriguing dynamics between spot prices and futures activity. Turmeric prices are showing resilience in major spot markets, holding steady or even trending higher. This strength in spot prices is primarily driven by a constrained supply chain and buyers moving cautiously, especially as the new crop begins to arrive. Currently, the harvesting of turmeric is underway in regions like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, with expectations for Telangana to start post-Makra Sankranti. Despite this progress, initial reports have raised concerns about weaker rhizome growth which could lead to lower yields than previously expected. The market is waiting anxiously as the full-scale harvest progresses, hoping for more clarity on the potential impact on overall supply and prices. Today, market arrivals have remained consistent, totaling 10,500 bags, mirroring figures from the previous day. With the upcoming influx of the new crop expected after Makra Sankranti, there is a likelihood of increased supply. However, with stocks being notably limited and the harvest potentially delayed, prices might see an upward trend in the short term. In contrast, the futures market has not mirrored the strength seen in the spot markets today. On the NCDEX, we observed a slight retreat in turmeric futures. The April contract witnessed a decrease of 0.4%, closing at 15,472 rupees, while the May contract saw a 0.5% drop, concluding the day at 15,526 rupees. Despite today's declines, over the past week, turmeric futures have experienced a significant rise, nearly 10 to 12%, buoyed by the ongoing tight supply conditions. This suggests a firm underlying trend that could continue if the supply restrictions persist. Let's also touch upon the current spot market pricing. In Nizamabad, polished turmeric is going for 14,375 rupees per quintal and unpolished at 13,643 rupees. In Sangli, the Rajapur variety is commanding a price of 16,680 rupees per quintal. Regarding the futures market, today's trading was particularly notable for the April contract, which oscillated between 15,360 rupees and 15,670 rupees before settling at 15,472 rupees, showing a decrease of 64 rupees. The May contract exhibited a narrower range and ended at 15,526 rupees, down by 74 rupees. In conclusion, while the spot market prices for turmeric remain robust due to the limited supply and anticipation around the early harvests, the futures market reflects a cautious optimism among traders. This delicate balance between current supply constraints and future market expectations will be crucial in determining the price trajectory in the coming days. Thank you for joining us for today's update on the turmeric market. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Ajayastro Maniguru, for more detailed analyses and forecasts on various commodities. Like and share this video to keep up with the latest market trends. See you in our next update.